Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fish longanisa. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including your choice of fish, aromatic spices, and the necessary casings. Then, I'll guide you through the preparation of the fish, ensuring it's perfectly deboned and minced. Next, we'll combine everything to create that signature longanisa flavor. Finally, I'll show you how to expertly stuff the mixture into casings, forming those irresistible sausages. For our fish longanisa, you'll need about 1 kilogram of firm white fish. Mackerel or tuna work wonderfully. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of freshly minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of salt to enhance the savory notes. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper for a little kick, and 1/4 cup of vinegar for tanginess. Finally, add 1/2 cup of brown sugar to achieve that perfect balance of sweet and savory. Now let's talk about mixing. It's super important to ensure all your ingredients are thoroughly combined, guaranteeing an even flavor in every bite. You'll want to knead the mixture for at least 5 minutes. This helps develop a sticky texture, which is ideal. After mixing, chill the mixture for about 30 minutes. This resting period allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together, creating that distinct, delicious longanisa taste we all love. For stuffing, you can use natural hog casings or convenient edible collagen casings. Make sure to stuff the mixture firmly, avoiding any air pockets, and aim for links about 8 inches long. Before cooking, gently prick each longanisa with a fork. This prevents them from bursting during the cooking process. Then, cook them slowly over medium-low heat until they're beautifully golden brown and thoroughly cooked through, ensuring a juicy and flavorful result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.